Sveiki! Welcome to a new Lithuanian language lesson. As you can see, I made more than 100 lessons, so you can find a lot of lessons. Just check all the playlists and all lessons and you will see what you need for your Lithuanian language improvement. And today we are going to learn about questions, more questions. I gave you few lessons about questions and these are lessons about questions. And today we are going to talk about questions of numbers. And these questions are kiek, keliese, keli, kelios, kelintas, kelinta. Today we are going to learn about the questions kiek, keli, kelios, keliese, and about questions kelintas and kelinta. I think we are going to talk in the next lesson. So the question kiek. Kiek. Kiek, how many or how much? For example, kiek tau metų? Kiek tau metų? Kiek tau metų, it's how old are you? But in Lithuanian we say kiek tau metų, how many years are for you? Keli, it's how many as well. So how many, kiek or keli, kelios. Keli for masculine, kelios for feminine. And with keli and kelios we have cases, so it would be more variations of these questions keli, kelios. Keli, kelios, it's only plural. We have only plural. And kiek, for kiek, we don't have cases, it's just a question kiek. How many, how much. So, kiek tau metų? It means how many years are for you. How old are you? Man 20 metų. Man 20 metų. I am 20 years old. Man for me. For me is 20 years. Kiek gyventojų gyvena Vilniuje? How many inhabitants are in Vilnius? Kiek gyventojų? Gyventojas, it's inhabitant. And actually we cannot ask keli gyventojai gyvena Vilniuje, because keli, it's how many, but actually it's the meaning of keli is several, a few, or some. Keli gyventojai gyvena Vilniuje, it would be like how many of few people live in Vilnius. And because in Vilnius we have Vilniuje gyvena apie 550 tūkstančių gyventojų, in Vilnius there are about 550,000 inhabitants, so we cannot use keli. Keli, it's when we talk about few, about smaller number. We can say kelis obuolius tau nupirkti. Kelis obuolius tau nupirkti. How many of apples can I buy? So kelis, we are talking about quantity. Kelis. Nupirk 10 obuolių. Buy 10 apples. And if we are not talking about the number of apples, we can just ask kiek nupirkti obuolių? Kiek nupirkti obuolių? How many apples do I have to buy? And kiek nupirkti obuolių? We don't know. We can say nupirk 10 obuolių or nupirk kilogramą obuolių. Kiek? Kiek? Kilogramą. Kiek kartų tu buvai Lietuvoje? Kiek kartų tu buvai Lietuvoje? How many times? Kiek kartų? Kartas, it's one time. Lietuvoje buvau tik vieną kartą. I visited Lithuania just once. Vieną kartą. O Lietuvoje buvau 2 kartus. So, kiek kartų tu buvai Lietuvoje? Or we can use the question keli. It will be in an accusative case. Kelis kartus tu buvai Lietuvoje. Kelis kartus tu buvai Lietuvoje. It means the same. How many times have you visited Lithuania? Kelis kartus tu buvai Lietuvoje, o kiek kartų tu buvai Lietuvoje. kiek o keli. Kiek kačiukų tu matai? How many kitten can you see? Kiek kačiukų tu matai? O kelis kačiukus tu matai? How many kitten can you see? Matau 2 kačiukus. I can see 2 little cats, 2 kitten. Kiek rožių jau pražydo? Kiek rožių jau pražydo? How many roses started blossoming? Jau it's already. Pražydo 3 rožės. 3 roses started blossoming. Kiek rožių jau pražydo? O we can ask, kelios rožės jau pražydo. Rožės, it's feminine and plural, so kelios. Kelios rožės jau pražydo. It means the same. How many roses started blossoming? Kiek studenčių gyvena viename kambaryje? Kiek studenčių gyvena viename kambaryje? How many students? And it's feminine, students. How many girls, students? Kiek studenčių gyvena viename kambaryje? How many girl students live in one room? O we can ask, kelios studentės gyvena viename kambaryje. How many girl students live in one room? Kiek studenčių, o kelios studentės. 2 studentės gyvena viename kambaryje. 2 students live in one room. 2 girl students live in one room. Kiek parduotuvių jau aplankėte? Kiek parduotuvių jau aplankėte? How many shops have you visited? Jau, already. O keliose parduotuvėse jau apsilankėte. Kiek parduotuvių jau aplankėte? We use aplankyti, aplankėte. And when we say keliose parduotuvėse jau apsilankėte. We don't say aplankėte, but apsilankėte. The meaning is the same. How many shops have you visited? Have you already visited? But when we say keliose parduotuvėse, when we use keliose parduotuvėse, we have to use a reflexive verb apsilankėte. Apsilankėte. Buvau 5 parduotuvėse. Buvau 5 parduotuvėse. I was in 5 shops. And now we have a question. Keliese. Keliese. Keliese atvykstate. Keliese means how many of you. How many. Keliese atvykstate. How many of you are coming? Or instead of keliese, we can ask kiek jūsų atvyksta. How many of you. Kiek jūsų. How many of you. O kiek iš jūsų atvyksta. It's literally how many of you. Kiek jūsų, or we have a new question, keliese, keliese. Atvykstame dviese. We are coming 2 of us. Atvykstame dviese, atvykstame 3, 3 of us, 4, 4 of us, 5, 5 of us, 6, 6 of us. That's it for today. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for learning Lithuanian with me. And don't forget that my main lessons, they come every Saturday. And next Saturday we are going to continue about number questions. Iki kito karto.